In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. We'll start on the home page of your Zoho CRM account. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to import records and that your contact list is cleaned up. No duplicates, correct email formats, and clear column headers. From the navigation bar, open the Sales module and click Contacts. You'll land in the Contacts list view. At the top right, find the Create Contact button. Don't click it. Instead, open the small drop-down arrow beside it. From that menu, choose Import Contacts. Zoho will offer two paths: import from a file or from another CRM. For this walkthrough, select the file option. Zoho supports CSV and XLSX files, so export your list in one of those formats. A quick tip: use a header row that matches common field names like first name, last name, email, phone, and company to make mapping easier later. Upload your file, then click Next. You'll be asked what operation to perform. Choose Add as New Record for this example, which tells Zoho to create new contacts for every row in your file. When you're ready, click Next. Now you're on the field mapping screen. Click Apply Auto Mapping. Zoho will align columns from your file to CRM fields based on header names. Take a moment to review every mapped field, especially any custom fields your team uses. Confirm that required fields like last name and email are properly mapped, then click Apply. Click Next to proceed. If Zoho flags anything, review the note and continue. When prompted, click Yes. Continue to confirm the mapping. Before finishing, you'll see a compliance confirmation. Check the box affirming that the email addresses in this import will only be used to contact people who have given explicit consent or where you have a legitimate business interest, in line with Zoho's anti-spam policy. This is important for deliverability and legal compliance, so only import lists you are authorized to email. Click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process the file and show a completion message. Click OK to close it. Your contacts are now imported and ready to use in the Contacts module. That's the whole process. From opening contacts, to importing a file, mapping fields, confirming compliance, and finishing the import with confidence. If this tutorial helped you import your contacts quickly and safely, give it a like, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more.